Hi everyone, I'm Michael and today I want to show you how Virtual Writing Tutor website works. I have been studying police technology for 1 year at Antec College. Of course, I want to become a police officer and so far, I really like my program. What interests me the most in my program is when we talk about criminals. I like to learn what to do with them and all the process they have to go through. In fact, I like everything that is related to criminal law. Since there are many uncommon words in police technology, I frequently use Virtual Writing Tutor. This website helps me to correct grammar and spelling errors. The first step to go to the website is to open a new tab and write virtualwritingtutor.com in the address bar. In the top left corner of the screen, there is the logo. A little below, there is a navigation menu. There are many things you can do on this website, but for me, the most useful thing is the grammar checker. To do so, you simply write sentences or paragraphs in the text area, and then click on Check Grammar. For example, if I write, criminals should all be in penitentiaries, because they are bad for the society. And then click on Check Grammar. The website will then find a possible spelling mistake and will suggest me to write penitentiaries this way. Then I can go back to the text area to correct the word and click again on Check Grammar to make sure there isn't any error. In this case, it will tell me to remove the comma after penitentiaries. It is a punctuation error. Another useful thing on Virtual Writing Tutor is to hear how to pronounce a word correctly. You just need to click on the speech button in the bottom right corner of the text area. For example, if I write this word in the text area and then click on the speech button, it will tell me that we pronounce this word should. You can do the same thing with any word, like this word for example, and then we click on the speech button. It will tell me that we pronounce this word doubt. You can also do the same thing with a full sentence if you want. Basically, this is how the website works, but there are many other options. I suggest you to check it out. Thank you for watching this video.